In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Lovable Design to Figma, how to transfer design from Lovable to Figma. By the end, you'll have your lovable layouts living inside Figma, ready for iteration, documentation, or handoff. Start by opening your selected project in Lovable. Make sure you're looking at the exact page or screen you want to bring over. This matters because we'll be importing that live page into Figma. Next, confirm that the project is published and accessible. Copy the project's URL and ensure the link settings allow anyone with the link to view it. Public access is important so the import tool can fetch the page assets. If the page is behind a login or restricted visibility, the import may fail or return incomplete results. Now switch to Figma and open the file or project where you want the design to land. If you'd like to keep things tidy, consider creating a fresh page inside your Figma file so the imported frames don't mix with existing work. In Figma, click the Figma logo in the upper left corner to open the main menu. From there, choose Manage Plugins. This takes you to a place where you can find and launch plugins that enhance your workflow. In the Plugin Manager or Search field, type HTML to design. This is the tool we'll use to convert the live Lovable page into editable Figma layers. When you see it appear, click HTML to design to open it. If it's your first time, Figma may prompt you to install or grant permissions. Just follow the prompts and you'll be ready in a moment. Inside the plugin, choose the option to import via URL. Paste the Lovable link you copied earlier. Double check that you've pasted the correct page URL, especially if your project has multiple routes or screens. Before you proceed, review the import options and tailor them to your needs. Depending on the plugin's settings, you can adjust things like scale, target, frame size, image handling, and how layers are organized. Pick the settings that align with how you plan to edit or present the design in Figma. Then continue to start the import. Now, wait for the import to finish. The time will vary based on the complexity of your page and network speed. Keep the plugin window open until you see the frames and layers appear on your Figma canvas. That's it. Congratulations. Your lovable design is now in Figma. From here, you can refine layers, set up styles, and prepare for collaboration or developer handoff.